Good morning, students. Today, in our third lecture, we are again going to discuss in detail the articles. Yesterday, we have discussed about the uses of article a and an. Both are the indefinite articles, and we have also discussed little bit about their uses. Dear students, the use of article is very simple, lucid, and if you properly use the articles in your regular speaking, writing, and in your regular conversation, you will definitely get competency over the articles. Yesterday we have discussed article a and an by the 8 examples, 4 which highlights the use of article a and 4 highlights the use of article an. Because the article use of article a and an, though they are indefinite article, though they have same identity, but their uses are different. Because article a and an, though both are the indefinite articles a and an, but both uses are different. This a article we use before consonant sound, before the noun which begins with consonant sound, and while and we use before the noun which makes vowel sound. Vowel sound. So the difference is here. Difference is here of the consonant sound and of the vowel sound. Beside this consonant and vowel sound, the other features, other criteria for the use of this article a and an is the same, because we use article a in front of singular noun. Singular noun means a pen, a pencil, a cat, a bat, a rat, a table, a college, and so on. Singular noun. We also use it in front of countable noun. The same what I told you, we can simply say countable means a pen. Pen is one. A fan. That is singular. For to show the singular thing, we use article for to show count, because we can't count air. We don't call ek hawa. That is uncountable nouns. And for such nouns, in front of such nouns, we can't use article a. So article a is used in front of singular noun, countable noun, and that noun begin with consonant sound. Means any noun's first name makes a consonant sound. For example, we have a noun known as a pen. In the pen, the first sound of this pen we have two sounds, pe and n. That p is a Vyanjan. So we use a pen, not and pen. So these are the in such cases, means in front of these three things. In the case of these three things, we use article a. Article a is used in front of the singular, countable, and the noun begins with the consonant sound. These three rules are in front of such three things where appear we use article a. And quite contrast to this, we use article and because we have singular noun, countable noun are same in both the cases. The use of and is front of singular noun, countable noun, and thirdly we use article and instead of noun begin with means that noun's first word in pen, in cat, in the word cat, in the noun cat, the k is a vowel sound, while noun begin with vowel sound. Instead of consonant, here we make it as vowel sound. In such cases, we use article and. So, the first two things, singular and countable for the both are same, but the nouns begin with the vowel and here begin with the consonant. That is the only difference between the indefinite article a and an. One. Otherwise, their uses 70% are the same features where we use them. So the vowel sounds means how we can use. Yesterday I have gave you examples. I ate dash apple. In the apple, in this noun, it begins with a sound. Apple. We can see yesterday discussed egg. It begins with a sound. That a sound, or we can simply say the orange, orange. That is also a vowel sound. So we use I ate an apple, an orange, and egg. So here we say I saw a pen, I saw a cat, right? I followed a dog. So such d sound, p sound, and k sound, all these are the consonant sounds, while this a, are the vowel sound. So the use of this article a and an is mostly the same and in a less manner. In the third aspect, it is different. The use of both is different from each other in the third case. So you remember forever this similarity between the two and the slight change between the two while using or filling the suitable articles or while speaking the correct perfect English. One thing. Beside this, dear friends, we are going to study the another aspect of article a and an, because by taking two examples of a and two examples of an. One example, just look ahead. Vinod wants to join dash university. Second, we are members. We are members of dash union. The use of these two sentences, how is differ from the another two sentences, we will just discuss. You are dash honest person, and secondly, I have been waiting here. I have been waiting here for dash hours. Just before going to discuss the examples, just to imagine in your own mind what will you feel, which article you use in the first two sentences and which article you use in the below two sentences, or what will you use, which article you use in all the four sentences. Just you fill it up first, then I will discuss with you. Initially what happened, you, and also at the time of my primary school, I was also taught by my teachers that we have to use article a, and the. For example, article and in front of the nouns which begin with a, e, I, o, a, I, o, u letters, means any noun that begin with these five letters or alphabets, you just fill in front of them article a, article and, right? A, I, O, U means university begins with this U, or union begins with of the same U. So you have to fill it there article and. But advance when you study in detail the modern English grammar and the particular usage of the phonetics, right pronunciation, you will come to know that the theory of the tradition was totally wrong. Is wrong. It is totally wrong. How? Because when you go through the sentence, Vinod wants to join dash university, we can't fill up there article and. आपण तिथं article and वापरू शकत नाही. का? की university is very well a singular noun or it is a countable noun. But एक university, singular and countable. But we can't use there and, but we use there a. Why? Because whenever we pronounce the word noun university, there comes the A sound, and A sound in the university and also in the union. The A sound in the university and the A sound in the union is the same, because A is a we can simply say A is a Vyanjan. A is a Vyanjan. So we use article a there, because the noun which make the sound like the consonant of the consonant, then we use article a. जे नाउनची सुरुवात व्यंजनानं होते, त्या नाउनचा जो पहिल्या शब्दाचा आवाज हा व्यंजनासारखा होतो तिथं आपण आर्टिकल ए वापरतो and नाही. So in both the cases we are members of a union. We wants to join a university. In both the cases we use article a. Though university and union are the singular and countable line, but both the nouns make the sound of a consonant or vyanjan, so we simply use their article a. Then you come to the below two sentences. First one here in both the cases it is fixed that we have to use article a. Now you come to the two sentences which I have used over here. In these two sentences, we have sentence is that you are dashed honest person. In this honest, the noun, because person is the noun while honest is the adjective. So in this honest, this her is a vyanjan, but her is a silent. Her is a silent, so the word appears or makes a sound like ah. So this word makes a sound like ah. You are honest person. Honest means we have to use article and over here, right? So we use you are an honest person. So article an is necessary or we have to use here. Then in the second sentence we have to use I have been waiting here for dash hour. So there in this hour her is silent, so we have to use the pronounce it as a, so we have to use and over here. So my dear students, just keep in mind how to use article a and where it is, where we have to use it. With this I will stop here. In the coming class we will discuss the definite article the. Thank you very much.